A Nairobi-based expert has highlighted the significance of China's economic development over the past decades, saying it has created a synergistic effect on Africa and also the global economy at large.
I think China's development is self-evident. We have witnessed within 20 years what you can call the Chinese miracle. And the synergy that it has created in the global economy through trade, economic development, and through supply chains. There's a win-win for all trading partners and other people who are engaged with the country. China, of course, has been a great partner economically, infrastructurally, and it has given us opportunities in Africa for trade. We have seen an increasing opening up of Chinese markets for African products. In the new year, we are looking at new avenues of cooperation and economic relations. We are expecting that China will open up its markets more to African products. And of course, we are going also to import newer technologies from China that are more efficient, that are more economically cost-effective, so as to enable us to produce goods and services to scale up our production.